Today, we're making a 60-second Caesar salad from scratch. I wasn't convinced that homemade Caesar dressing was really that much better than the stuff in the bottle, but after I made this homemade dressing, I can say with confidence that once you make your own dressing, you won't want to go back. There's so much more depth to the flavor to this homemade dressing. Let's get cooking. Chop 2 heads of romaine lettuce into about half-inch pieces. For the dressing, half a cup of mayo, a zested lemon, the juice from 1 lemon, a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of anchovy paste, mince 1 clove of garlic, and about 2 ounces are parmigiano reggiano, freshly ground. Mix it all together. Lastly, we'll gradually add 1 tablespoon of olive oil while whisking everything together. Give it a final whisk, and that's it. We can then toss this with our lettuce and some dressing, and top it off with some freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Yum. It's so good, and so quick and easy. It's great for lunch or dinner. If you enjoyed, be sure to like and subscribe for more. Here are today's ingredients.